Welcome back, guys. Today we will be exploring 10 more awesome gadgets that you can buy online. Let's dive into the future of tech and see what it beholds. The YouGot Robotic Kit. Introducing a versatile AI robotic kit with a unique modular design, making assembly a breeze. This robot boasts 360-degree far-field audio recognition and can transform into an engineered vehicle. A hybrid with wheels and legs, it maintains perfect balance on uneven terrain. Users can pre-program the robots via the Python programming language, or they can remotely control them in real time via either Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It features visual tag recognition, pedestrian or motion tracking, posture recognition, speech recognition, and also integration with ChatGPT. The Voltec Life Pod is the ideal solution for safeguarding your valuables, offering exceptional durability. Dual compression latches create a waterproof, dustproof, and airtight seal. Inside, the three-piece foam lining cradles your items securely. The intuitive touch-sensitive backlit buttons provide easy control. If you forget your code, manual keys are available. It also accommodates handguns up to 9.25 inches, featuring an advanced lock system and durable non-metal polymer construction, TSA compliant for travel. The WOW Cyber e-bike is the future of electric bicycles, suitable for both on-road and off-road adventures. It comes with different models ranging from 250 watt, 750 watt, and 5000 watt. The 750 model offers a range of around 200 miles at 30 miles per hour on pedal assist. All models boast features like RGB lighting, a patented line lock, and an AI power collision radar. Equipped with front and rear cameras, these e-bike ensure a safe ride. The robust design, 4-piston hydraulic brakes, and fat tires make them suitable for various terrains. Bugeye Compass. For dependable and adaptable compass needs, the Bugeye Compass reimagines navigation. Available in brass and titanium, this 360-degree floating compass thrives in harsh conditions. High sensitivity encapsulation technology, liquid-filled construction, and a compact design make it a vital tool for hikers, campers, and adventurers, providing accurate readings and easy orientation. Khadas Mind. Imagine a computer that defies convention. Mind, a tiny and versatile computing unit, attaches to the Mind dock to become a full-fledged desktop computer with ergonomic design and essential ports. Supporting up to 4 4K 60 Hertz monitors, it provides a seamless desktop experience. Lift it off the dock, and it transforms into a tablet with an internal battery. Stay in your creative flow without interruptions with this innovative computing solution. Masking Master simplifies masking in DIY projects by providing precise tape application. It neatly cuts tape ends for professional finishes with perfect overlaps in corners. With smart attachments for different gaps and overlaps, it's versatile for various tasks. Created by an industrial designer and handyman, it guarantees a hassle-free masking experience, turning users into masking masters. Bird enthusiasts, researchers, and conservationists now have an indispensable tool, the BirdWeather PUC. This portable bird listening device with AI can identify over 6,000 global bird species. Equipped with dual microphones, Wi-Fi, GPS, and environmental sensors, it automatically uploads audio to the BirdWeather cloud server. Ideal for various settings, it simplifies bird identification and research. Abfoce Solar Camp Lantern. This portable light helps you find your way without batteries. Rugged and waterproof, it has several light modes and effects, helping during power outages and emergencies. Most importantly, it charges with sunlight and can charge your mobile devices too, while on outdoor adventures needing gadgets without batteries. Tackle dust and cleaning for electronic devices with the Atengeus Compressed Air Duster. This eco-friendly air duster offers adjustable airflow control and high-speed cleaning. It's powered by a rechargeable 7,800 mAh battery, providing up to 30 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. It can deliver max output of around 77,000 revolutions per minute and 11 kilopascal pressure. Compact and lightweight, it can even charge your phone or tablet. The Hidizs AP80 Pro X is a versatile pocket-sized music player equipped with dual DAC and FPGA chips, offering precision sound quality. With bidirectional Bluetooth 4.2 and UAT technology, it ensures high-quality wireless audio. Featuring single-ended 3.5 mm and 2.5 mm jacks, it's small but covers all your audio needs. This device also serves as a powerful external DAC amp for improved audio quality when connected to your phone or PC. Enjoy MQA technology for playing back high-quality audio files and streams. That's all, folks. Please comment which one you liked the most, and check out these videos to see more awesome gadgets. See you in the next one.